Hello everyone, my name is Aishwarya Nair and I'm a first year student of PGDM here at JK Business School. Talking about our placement cell provides us with a plethora of opportunities both in the summer internship and the final placements. Our placement cell is connected with the big 4 companies, Quintica Group, HDFC Bank and some other top-notch recruiters. It has a strong corporate connect through various leadership talks organized every Saturday, and it also gives the student an opportunity to anchor the event. It helps in removing the stage fear. Our placement cell also focuses on strong communication skill training. Apart from that, it also has an alumni club by the name of Nirman, which helps us to stay connected with our revered alumni. Our placement cell focuses on the holistic development of students and ensures that every student shines bright with the opportunities provided by the industry standards.